Because I'm traveling to Germany, Austria, Hungary, and Slovakia soon and don't want to pack cables to save space, I purchased the Ridge power bank from the makers of the Ridge wallet. Without further ado, let's unbox it. So right here it just comes off like so. There's another one. And right here is advertised that it's has fast MagSafe wireless charging up to 15 watts, a 10,000 milliamp hour capacity, and Apple Watch wireless charging. Because there's not that many power banks that have that. There we go. Now it just slides out like so. And this has a very similar opening experience to Ridge Wallet if you ever opened up one of those. So right here you have a basic manual, safety sheet, user guide, and right here we have the actual power bank itself. Here's the actual power bank itself, and as you can tell, here's the MagSafe ring. These right here are the included cables. This I assume is a button to turn on. And then this right here is the USB-C cable, which you use this to also charge up the power bank itself, which is really handy. And this right here is the lightning cable. Alright, let's go ahead and let's test out the USB-C cable with my Pixel 6a. And as you can tell, it's now charging. Just like that, it shows it at 74%. Let's go ahead and let's test this out with my iPhone 14 Pro now with the lightning port. And just like this, boom, as you can tell, it is charging both phones. If we go ahead and unplug them both right here and tuck these cables in like so. You don't necessarily even need the cables because, as you can tell on my iPhone 14 Pro, you can just use MagSafe. And it should, in theory, start charging. Should, in theory, start charging. There we go, that was a little bit tedious. And as you can tell, this also has a kickstand, so if you want to prop it up while you're on a Qi 2 compatible phone or a MagSafe compatible phone and watch some content, you can do it just like so. Now, one last feature I have to test with this is whether it will charge an Apple Watch. Now, I'm sure it will, but let's go ahead and let's place this little thing on my Apple Watch puck. And as you can tell, just like that, boom, as you can tell, it is charging my Apple Watch now. So that, as in short, is my first impressions of the Ridge power bank, and it also has USB-C port right here, although I don't know why. I guess if you want to charge another device, but it's not why I'm traveling with this thing. But yeah, do you own a Ridge power bank? And if so, please comment your experiences with it down below. As always, thank you all for viewing this video. I'm the Actions Fanboy, and peace out.